back on zOMG, and today we have Wolven Birds' birthday party. Yes, and unbelievable. Check out all this lot. Unbelievable. And we got all these people on the Glowline. I'm going to quickly go out and back in because I'm missing a few. So we'll go back in again. And we'll see that everybody is on the Glowline now. Well, pretty much everybody. Adium isn't, and someone else over there. But look at this lot, honestly. Yeah, I'm still on it. Prince Shu is the cat in armour with a melon. And we got as many as last night at the dev meet, pretty much. Look at this lot. We've still got a few trying to get onto the line. Car Show has been knocked out yet again. Try to go out again and back in and see if we can get a couple more on the glow. But I'm not sure whether we're going into the Atami Ruins and Buccaneers Boardwalk. We might be going into both of those. But it's one of Wolven Birds' events, basically. So this is the day after the dev meet. I think we got one extra. This is a problem. There's so many people on the line now. It's going to be very tough. It is possible. And they're still adjusting. And this is one of the interesting quirks of Glowline on zOMG. The Glowline. And there is actually one on the side as well, but it's not quite as easy to do the side glow. There's no room. There's no room at the inn. Is Shu trying to get onto the side glow? That'd be interesting. I don't know if I'm trying to click on myself, but I'll try one more time. I think Shu might be on the side glow, which is a bit more unusual. Back in again. Of course, you have to refresh the game in order to see whether people have actually started glowing or not. Do we have a side glow? Something about nose. No, we don't. I thought Shu was after the side, but I still don't think Adium's on the line. Shu, can you get in? But Adium's still not on it. And Car Show isn't either. And someone's just jumped out. We got Pickle for a Nickel as well. Blue Chaos. Commander Bird, and there's a few others. Arash is here again, as always. And Shu has just got onto the line. Adium still isn't on the line, which is a bit strange. Way to Dock has come off of it. No, Adium's still too high. And I think we'll end it here. We can see what's happened. One of One of the zOMG quirks.